Welcome guys to this section, starting from where we're going to discuss the course topic, that is MLflow. MLflow is an open source platform that addresses the challenges in deploying machine learning models. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for managing the ML lifecycle from experimentation to deployment. It's a very useful platform to quickly set up your company projects onto MLOps infrastructure so that people with different job roles can work collaboratively on a single project. And according to their official documentation, MLflow is an open source platform for managing the end-to-end machine learning lifecycle. By end-to-end means it provides a central place for tracking experiments, sharing codes and models, reproducing the results, model retraining, and deploying models to production. It has 4 primary components, each of which solves the problems that were discussed earlier. MLflow tracking. This component is used to track experiments to record and compare parameters and results. MLflow Projects. This component packages code used in the data science projects, ensuring it can easily be reused and experiments can be reproduced. The MLflow model component provides a standard unit for packaging and reusing machine learning models. This component enables managing and deploying models from a variety of ML libraries to a variety of model serving and inference platforms. Last is MLflow Model Registry, which is a central model store to collaboratively manage the full lifecycle of a MLflow model, including model versioning, state transitions, and annotations. Now guys, each of these components is a topic to discuss on its own, and they are covered with full theoretical and practical details in the upcoming sections of this course. Anyways, if I now talk about other bits of MLflow, MLflow is a library agnostic platform. It has a modular API first approach, which means it allows you to easily integrate with your existing ML code without any significant code changes. MLflow is not tied to any one library. You can use it with any machine learning library and in any programming language, since all the functions are accessible through a REST API and CLI. MLflow is compatible with numerous libraries, development tools, and frameworks of Python and R. All the regular frameworks that we use for machine learning, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, Apache Spark, scikit-learn, are already integrated with MLflow. MLflow has all the APIs and integration with existing tools and frameworks. We can use MLflow to build our model, track the metrics, parameters, and artifacts, then package our code, share it to teammates, register the model, and put the model to production. All of this can be done in the form of Docker container, Kubernetes cluster, Apache Spark, etc. Now talking about its creation, MLflow has been created by Databricks, a company founded by the original creators of Apache Spark. Even though Databricks sponsors the development of MLflow project, but it also has a lot of contributors from all around the world. The first version of MLflow was released in June 2018, and since then, MLflow has been widely popular among data scientists and machine learning engineers. MLflow is inspired by existing ML platforms from Facebook, Uber, and Google with a major distinction, which is its open source availability. While the big companies may be already using MLOps platforms, but they were getting used in-house only. MLflow, on the other hand, inspired from those in-house platforms, is open source. Guys, MLflow's community is growing rapidly. Nowadays, it's being widely used by many large organizations with big names including Microsoft, Facebook, Toyota, Booking.com, and many other organizations, small to large, are using it for putting their models to production. So yeah, that's all for the introductory lesson. There is a lot coming in the upcoming videos. I will be holding your hand throughout the journey of MLflow, and by the end of this course, you would have MLflow to work with in your tools arsenal.